Meantime, federal immigration officials can now arrest people in sensitive places like churches and schools. Orange County Public Schools just sent out a memo to leaders, including principals, about how to deal with the new directive.
And West 2's Paola Tristan Arruda is joining us live in studio tonight. And Paola, the district is actually laying out guidelines for different scenarios.
Yeah, well, everything that I read in the memo states that students may be interrogated and arrested on campus. And if law enforcement officials say school staff can't contact the parent, but they go against those orders or interfere in any way, that school official may end up getting arrested. Now, this is all part of an email that school district's general counsel sent staff with possible scenarios and guidance on how to move forward with the president's new enforcement. The document makes it clear that immigration status does not affect access to education under federal law. The district already doesn't ask or collect any documentation related to citizenship, but the memo states that in most instances, student records cannot be provided without a subpoena. I spoke to an immigration attorney about what schools need to know now that this is happening.
Always follow a federal agency and federal immigration directive. Never focus on state. Right now, we don't have direct orders. We're just going by an executive order signed by Donald Trump. Is it something that's going to be affecting families and schools? Yes, but we need to protect the children first.
When it comes to student interviews and arrests, the district's general counsel shared guidelines for dealing with government officials and non-parents. The section focused on law enforcement officials includes asking the officials if they're there on official business and verifying their identity. The guidelines state, quote, if a student is taken into custody or interviewed, ask the law enforcement official if you may contact the student's parent/legal guardian to advise them of the actions taken. It goes on to say that if the official is told the visit has to be confidential and they shouldn't say anything to the parent or legal guardian, the school official can tell law enforcement that they will refer all questions by the parent or legal guardian to them and ask the officer to fill out a specific form. The memo also lays out what to do if a law enforcement official lets staff contact a parent or legal guardian that an interview or arrest is happening. I've also reached out to the other school districts about their plans and am waiting to hear back. Jesse, back to you.